Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Pius Jagena. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can reverse your clips in Premiere Pro. Let us roll the intro and get straight into this tutorial. The first thing you'll need to do is to open up Premiere Pro. If Premiere Pro is already opened for you, you can now put your clip on the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, right click on that clip and then a menu will pop up. Now, when you read through that menu, you're going to see speed and duration. Click on speed and duration. After you're clicking on speed and duration, you're going to see the first option, which is reverse clip. So click on that, or select that, and then click OK. Now you'll see that your clip is now playing in reverse. If this video has been useful to you, please like this video, but also you can subscribe to my channel because I create content that will help you to solve such problems in Premiere Pro, but also I share tips and tricks on how you can make your filmmaking career a better one. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Peace.